Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use Descript Text to speech. So the first step is to go to project and then create your new project. So I'm going to go with audio project. This is very important, so make sure to select audio, and then here you have to simply add your text. So here I'm going to add something random, and basically what you have to do next is simply click on add speakers here above the text, and then simply click on this one to add stock AI speakers. And as you can see, you have plenty of them and you can hear them and see how realistic they sound. And then after that, you have to simply wait. So you have to, as you can see, basically the script will do all the work. And here under, you can click on show timeline, and here you're gonna see the audio file. So you just have to wait until they process everything, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.